of the poem and last stanza for today's class. That is, rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by, gratefully, cheerfully enjoy them as they fly. So here flit by means move quickly, जल्दी से चले जाना, उसको flit by बोलते हैं, जो चीज़ जल्दी से चली जाती है. Now see here what the poet is trying to tell. Time doesn't wait for anyone. Life's sunny hours means happy hours, खुशी के समय, अच्छा समय, go away very fast and we don't realize it since we are in a state of happy mind. हमारे जीवन में कई सारी ऐसी चीज़ें आती है, खुशी के पल, और वो यूँ चली जाती है. कब आती है कब जाती है हमें पता भी नहीं चलता है, क्योंकि हम उस पल में इतने खुश होते हैं कि हमें पता ही नहीं चलता है कि वो खुशी का जो वक्त है वो बहुत कम टाइम के लिए है. As such, good times go away very fast and we don't even realize it. On the other hand, during hard time, we feel time is passing very slow. We should, और दूसरी तरीके उल्टा उसका क्या होता है कि जब कोई बुरा वक्त हमारे लाइफ में आता है या कोई बुरी चीज़ आती है, तब हम उस चीज़ को इतना फोकस करते हैं कि हमको ऐसा लगता है बाप रे बहुत टाइम हो गया है, आई एम फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम एंड वाई दिस प्रॉब्लम इज़ नॉट बीन वैनिशिंग फ्रॉम माई लाइफ, वाई इज़ इट स्टिल एग्जिस्टिंग इन माई लाइफ, और वाई दिस बैड टाइम इज़ नॉट गोइंग अवे, और वाई इट्स नॉट बीन वैनिशिंग. We should enjoy each and every moment of life as it is not going to wait but fly away quickly. While we do so, we should be cheerful and be grateful to God that He has given us this life, this day to live. Instead of wasting time in thinking that what to do with this bad time, we should thank God that God, thank you very much that you gave a new day, a new morning, a new opportunity in my life, and I thank you for that. This way we should think in a positive manner and we should start our day, because time does not come back for anyone. A phrase is there in English that time and tide waits for none. वक्त किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता, चाहे वो अच्छा हो चाहे बुरा हो. अच्छा वक्त है वो भी एक दिन जाना है, बुरा वक्त है वो भी एक दिन जाना है. सो वी शुड थिंक अबाउट दैट एंड एन्जॉय ईच एंड एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ लाइफ इन अ वेरी merrily, rapidly, merrily means happily, in a very happy way. We should be grateful, to God, we should thank God and enjoy time, each and every moment of our life, each and every moment of time, because time does not wait for anyone. So clear with the last stanza's explanation? So for today we are going to stop here, and the rest of the poem we are going to see the explanation of the rest of the poem in our next online class. So for that I have given you homework, that is you have to make a CW for your English subject, and then you first page you will leave for index, and then you will start with your first poem, that is life. Put heading on the first line, life, then give a subheading that is meanings, and write down the meanings which I have given you in these 3 stanzas. So what oft, that is often, sages, that is saints, wise men or spiritual masters, transient, that is temporary, lament, that is express grief or greet, gloom means sadness, flit by means move quickly. So these were the meanings which I told you to, or which I asked you to underline and write it meaning in your textbook, but you have to write it, or you have to copy it in your CWs as well. So your today's homework will be that you will be copying these meanings in your CW and send the snaps, that means send the pictures of your homework on your WhatsApp groups. Is that clear? Are you clear with today's session? Any doubts in your mind, please WhatsApp us. I will again explain it for you. Don't keep any doubts in your mind. So let's meet in next class now. So for that, you have to be present for your next online classes. Okay.